Welcome everybody, I'm going to be showing you today how to run Facebook ads for our Shopify directly in 2024. So it's going to be really easy guys. I walk you through the essential steps in running effective Facebook ads, and you need two things. First of all, you need a Shopify store, and second of all, you need a Meta ad business account in order to continue guys. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description just in case you wanted to get started totally for free and then later on having a huge deal. So guys, now that we have an actual store, as you should see, here's the actual store of our client. So what I wanted to do today is to run some ads for this specific product. So first of all, what I wanted to do is to define our Facebook advertising goals. If you go and open a new tab here into the Meta business.suite and hit to get started, it's going to be asking you to create a business account totally from scratch. If you already have an ad account, it's going to be showing you all your elements here. But if you don't, it's going to be asking you to create a business account. For example, what is the business account name? All of that information. So guys, now that I have here my website, what I want to do is to go into my ads manager. Now here, if I go and create my new ads manager, for example, check out here that we are into the ads manager.facebook.com. Now here is the place where we can start our campaigns and all our ads. So how can we get started to focusing into the Facebook advertising goals? If you click into create, it's going to be asking you what is the campaign objective. For example, what is traffic, engagement, leads, app, and sales. It's going to be, of course, showing you the description of how you actually wanted to focus on. For example, traffic means send people to a destination like your website, profile, or Facebook event. And sales focuses into find people likely to purchase a product or a service. Today, what we wanted to do is to focus into sell this specific product. So that means that today I'm going to be focusing into sales and hitting to continue. Now, it's going to be asking you two different ways to continue. Whether you wanted to focus into the advanced shopping campaign or to go into the manual setup. If you don't know absolutely anything about how to get started with ads, Facebook ads, I could suggest you to focus into advanced shopping campaign. But if you do know a little bit about creating and running ads and you do know exactly where you wanted to sell your product, you wanted to, let's say for example, have more engagement, more conversions, and of course more results, I can strongly suggest you to focus into manual sales campaign. So today, let's focus into the advanced shopping campaign. Now it's going to go into continue. Then later on, it's going to be showing you the advanced shopping campaign. Here's the name, the conversions, and all that information. But before we head down here into all this information, let's go into step number 2, which is creating your actual ad. So now that we set it up a Facebook Business Manager, now that we set it up and define our Facebook advertising goal, it's time to create an actual ad. So there's two ways to how crafting eye-catching visuals and compelling ad copy to resonate with your target audience. Whether you want to create photos or only videos, that's totally optional for you. But it's well known that a lot of sales has been done with a lot of short and precise videos, but that is totally optional. Today, what I want to be doing here is to go into Canva.com to build almost anything totally for free. So if I go into home, for example, and here into Canva, let's say that I wanted to make some sales. I go here and make some sale offer. Or let's say that I'm going to be selling a blanket. It's going to be showing me templates of blankets. So comfortable blanket coming soon, new blanket, cozy Sunday, and so much more. So what you can do is to choose one element and then later on hit into continue to sell that your product. So if you wanted to use these images, then hit it to continue. If you wanted to create videos, what I can totally suggest you is to use an artificial intelligence tool that can be helping you to boost those sales. Those are just a few elements that you can use that will be from TikTok, from Copilot, or directly from Canva. That's totally optional. Now that you have created your video, it's time to set up budgets and the targeting. Now, if I go back here into my ads section, I'm going to close this, of course, and focus now into the name of my campaign. So here, let's say, for example, I'm going to be selling my blanket number 1. And the categories, I'm going to not focus here because we are not making any declaration, of course. The conversion is, for example, only drive sales and conversions on an actual website. We don't have an actual application, so we wanted to focus only into website. Now into the performance goal, we wanted to maximize the numbers of conversion, of course. And here the meta pixel is required to publish, set up a pixel, and generate, let's say for example, what people are doing here into our ads. So here I go for, let's say, trial number 1. Now here into the audience locations, this is in a specific country where business can deliver ads. So this is something really interesting if you don't know where is the actual country where people are actually interested to more blankets. Well, for that, I'm going to go into trends.google.com. Now here is an amazing place where you can try to aim for almost everything. So here, if I just type, for example, let's say blankets. Now here I see that people from Denmark, Turkey, United States, United Kingdom, and New Zealand are more likely to buy my products. Now you can choose all of these regions and add this directly into your ads manager where it says included locations. Once you define that information, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and focus into my budget. Usually what you wanted to do is to spend an actual average. In this case, what I wanted to do here is to focus into the minimum. Of course, I don't want to focus into $1 because I am not going to be having any conversions, any sales. Usually what I recommend you, if you're just getting started here with ads, is to focus between $3 and $7. So now here I might be having the estimated daily results based on the information that we actually chose. If you see here, we have the identity of the Facebook page, your Instagram account, here's the ad up setup. Usually what we do is to choose on a specific catalog. So if you don't have focused, if you haven't added your Shopify directly into your Facebook account, we will leave you a link down below in the description so you can add your information from Shopify directly into Facebook in order to continue. Now after that, you can select a specific catalog, select the single image of the video, and create the media that you created a few minutes ago that we discussed actually lately. You have your specific catalog once again. Here's my event and creative tool if you wanted to add more dynamic media to optimize that. In this case, I'm not going to be focusing a lot on that. And then the primary text, the headline, and the call to action. Shop now. For example, here's my destination. Of course, this should be our custom website, and the language should be only leave it into off. Lastly, just hit now into published, and you're actually good to go. What you just need to do actually is to just wait 1 week till your ad has now been approved. And of course, you don't want to, let's say, stop running ads after the first 3 days, because what you wanted to do is to gather as much information as you can. You wanted to see what people are doing with your actual products. That's the reason why you wanted to leave everything as it being, and then later on what you can do is to go directly into view charts to see how your actual product is engaging with your customers. And that's how, guys, we can run ads directly from Shopify into Meta Ads. Really easy process. If you want us guys to focus into a specific section of this actual ads, you can leave us a comment down below. We can create a video for you. Now you find this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify insights, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining us today, guys. Happy advertising to boost those Shopify sales, and hopefully guys, we can all see you next time.